Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech on Wednesday the 18th of March. Let's have a look at Eurodollar, where Eurodollar had that sharp move low yesterday. It looked on Monday as though that there was going to be a degree of support starting to come in after the Federal Reserve actions looked to be sort of dollar corrective. The central banks around the world looking to reduce swap rates, and subsequently the dollar got hit a little bit on the back of that, but just had a storming comeback yesterday. The dollar strengthening across the board, and that strength is yet to really dissipate today. That dollar is a sort of there or thereabouts steady against the euro, but it just seems as though on a technical basis that this one is now sort of eyeing up that 107.75 level, that 100% fib level, retracement of that February low to March rally high of 1492. So 107.75 looks to be sort of threatening, I suppose. Now we're trading underneath the 61.8% fib, 110.50, and that again has become a basis of resistance today. Having been supportive, it's now resistance, and you can see that on the hourly chart where that is the case. That old support of the last a few days ago now becomes resistance today. And momentum indicators across the board on the hourly, fairly much correctively configured. The RSI on the hourly sort of failing around the 60s mark consistently, falling over. MACD lines underneath neutral, so it just sort of suggests rallies are a chance to sell. And again, trading underneath that 61.8% fib level, I think that's going to continue to be the case. Now that would suggest pressure on 76.4. 109.44. If you look at today's low, 109.53. Tested a couple of occasions, not yet broken, but certainly we are looking at that fib level. I think 109.45, and if that is broken, then you're pretty much looking at a full retracement back to 107.75. So that's your next level to really watch on the downside. And as I said, given the fact that that support has held in the last couple of sessions, if that now starts to break, and especially on a closing basis, then that really does open the downside. So we are still in a phase of selling into strength on Eurodollar, and until you start to see this downtrend broken, I think that's going to continue to be the case. That downtrend comes in around 111.30 area today. 111 big figure is an old pivot line, and resistance, and obviously 50% fib is 111.34. So there or thereabouts, you'd need to see a break back above the 50% fib level to really suggest that the a recovery, following on from this sharp move lower, a recovery is starting to build. And you'd say that's pretty much fair enough, given how the market has moved in the last few weeks. So yeah, lots to ponder still on Eurodollar, but the selling pressure doesn't show any real signs of abating quite yet, although a little bit of basis of support, but still fairly much under pressure. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and you can go to our website to sign up for our webinars. Thank you.